So the virtual env has finished installing. So in order for me to check if my package, my virtual environment package has been installed or library, I'll do pip list, and it will show me a list of packages, and we have the virtual env. You can also do pip install venv if I remember correctly, and so it's trying to, so it's saying okay, no matching decision found. This, okay, it's asking me to, okay, that's not a problem. Mm, um there is also venv, so I think I made a mistake um as a virtual environment library as well, so I think I made a mistake then. So it's virtual env, so pip list to show me all the packages I have, Python packages. So virtual env is also there. So okay, so I also wanted to discuss something. In the event you do python dash dash v, sorry, python dash dash version, and you are not actually finding python here, so the next thing you need to actually go and do is, if you remember, we did add python to path variable during the installation process. So just go to your startup menu, click on it, type in environment. So um, this will show up. So I'm using Windows 11, so you have to type environment variable, actually environment variable, and click here. I think Windows 10 will show you something different. Windows 7 will also show you something different. So by the time you click, you have systems property pop up. Go to environment variable, go to path. That add path, check if Python is already installed. So I installed Python, my Python in my user directory, app data, local, programs, Python 3.11, then script. I think you also have to, yeah, so you need to add that to path though as well. This is old, so I'm going to delete this. So you add uh, that to path, and all you just need to do is just to locate this in your file explorer. You can just locate this. So if it's not there, you just go to environment variable. um, so again, I'm going to copy this because I already have it. I'll go to my file explorer, um, go to this PC, C drive, like that, but I'm actually going to just paste this here, and so you go to app data, uh, enter, yep, go to local, then go to programs, I think, programs, uh, let's, okay, yeah, programs, then python, then python this, then you just copy this